We are going to watch a drama, The Missing Bag, acted by 5th standard students. Scene 1. Place Road. Character Greedy Merchant. Paisa, Ruby, money, money. 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 Where is my money bag? I lost my money bag. I lost 5,000. I'm crying. I need help from the king. My lord, my lord. Scene 2. Place Palace. Character King, Ministers, Greedy Merchant. Minister. Long live the king! Long live the king! Long live the king! Minister, how is our country?
Our country is flourishing under your rule, my lord.
Is there any problem? No problem, my lord. My lord, who are you? I am a merchant. When I was walking on the road, I lost my money bag. I lost 5,000. My lord, please help me. If someone fine, give it back. I will give 500 rupees, my lord. Okay, don't worry, merchant. I will make the announcement. The people make the announcement.
Okay, my lord.
Scene 3. Place Road. Character Village people. King's announcement. Respected people, your kind attention, please. The merchant lost his bag. If you find the surrendered it in the court, you will get 500 rupees. Please take action immediately. If I take 5,000 daily biryani in same mass, 5,000 daily biryani, 5,000 daily biryani, 5,000 daily biryani.
5,000. Who has luck? I will try.
5,000. I will write 5,000.